Okay, one more day around the streets. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes if you enjoy my videos. The likes are for free, comments are for free, hitting the bell for notifications also free. Another snow day. The snow is on top of my car, on top of the hood of my car. And it will melt slowly. It start melting or it will fall down. But most likely because I'm not driving too much, most likely it would start melting. Some of it already melted from on top of the hood, because I didn't come out today at all. Into right now it's 5 o'clock. I'm coming out right now. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make a right on Sherman Street. Hello. It's only 5 o'clock. Oh, if you take a shower, if she calls me, I'll call you. You keep your phone on. Okay. She will call me. Okay. Alright. I'll call you if she calls me, okay? Go about your day. Don't worry about it. Just make sure you have your phone on so I could call you, okay? Okay. Alright. Alright, bye-bye. I love you. Alright, bye-bye. Okay. Yeah. I'm in Spring Street, and I'm gonna go to the store very quick. Like I said before, don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes. I need oh wow, I need 500,000 subscribers, and as soon as I get 500,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a sweepstake. I got a sweepstake. You get a chance to go to a to get into a sweepstake. As soon as I get the 500,000 subscribers, the sweepstake I'm gonna update the sweepstake as soon as as soon as I'm getting closer to the 500,000 subscribers. Like I say, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, to like the videos, and to make comments. If you have anything to add to this video, add it in the comments. If you have anything to that you're gonna ask, also ask me in the comments. And if I'm missing anything, also add in the comments. And oh Jesus, this road is closed. I gotta go around. We gotta go around, Oreo. Oh my God, oh my Lord, road is closed down. You closed down, Oreo. Okay, I gotta go around. I made a U-turn because I thought I was gonna go right there through this way, but I cannot make it. So I gotta go this way, so I could go around, because there's construction going on over there on that road right there. It gives me a chance to show you a little bit of the businesses right here, right there, plus more shopping plazas right there, more shopping plazas over there. Yeah, Wendy's right there, somewhere over there. Yeah, right there, Wendy's. Pizza places around here, yes, and so on, and so on. Oh, they closed down over there for you. So now everybody's coming this way. I'm in a corner of Scott and Kidder Street. That light is the corner of Scott and Kidder Street. So if the way I'm going, if I'm going straight, I'll be going to Scott Street, but instead I'm gonna make a right, because there's a Y right there, and I'm gonna make a right following these cars the line of these cars that I'm going with, and that turns into Keter Street. It turns into Keter Street. So I'm still on Scott Street right here, and right here there's a Y right there. Yeah, the restaurant, iconic restaurant makes the Y all together. And now I'm in Keter Street now. I'm in Keter Street. I got all the video showing this street right here, but all you gotta do is search the word Keter Street in the internet, and it would lead you. It would show you my videos. No, in the internet, on my YouTube channel. Search the word for Keter Street, and it will give you videos of Keter Street. And I'm gonna make a right here. This right here. I just wanna run the block so I can make it to that place where I'm going. This over here, I've been here before. I showed a little bit of this plaza right here, this area over here. I showed it before. It's a shopping plaza altogether, all the way up into that sign that says Gates. Let me see if I could show it to you, or maybe I don't know if it's visible right here with GoPro, but right there in front of me, right there. I just got out of the road only so I could show you the Gates department store. But I'm gonna make a left right here, and I'll show you the rest. Now you see that's the rest, and it goes up into right there. It goes up into right there over there. So that's I should have moved my camera instead of getting out of the lane of my road, of the road. So I'm gonna make a now I'm gonna make a right here. I make a right here, and I'm going straight now. Right here, and now I'm gonna go straight. I'm going straight, and this way I'm gonna show you where the road was black from it's black a little bit. Some of it is black, but I'm gonna show you as I'm going this way. Okay, these are buildings, business buildings over here, and there's at the stop sign right there. There's the road that is blocked. We cannot go that way. We cannot go that way. If I want to make a right, I cannot go that way, and that's the road that I was gonna come up before I went around the block to get into here. So now I'm gonna make a left right here, because where I need to go is right here. Right here is where I need to go, right here on this parking lot. Right here, Malakaris. Okay, this is where I need to go. Okay, don't worry, okay? Let me fix my camera now. Malakaris. Be back, okay, Oreo? Stay here. To the games, okay, baby? Okay. Hey baby, Dadaga arms for baby, Dadaga arms, Dadaga arms baby, for baby. So Oreo gets so happy because I got some something for him to eat from inside the store. Now I think I'm gonna go to a different store now. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes, and I'm coming over here. Come on Oreo, come on. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Okay, I'm gonna fix my cam. No. Okay, I'll be right back.